What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Autel EVO 2 thermal imaging bundle. Alright, so as you can see, everything came packaged really nicely in this hard case, and there's that extra layer to the case too, where you had underneath the manuals and the extra propellers. So we'll go over each item one by one. So first of all, you have the drone with a thermal imaging camera. It has the gimbal lock on it. You have propellers already installed on all four of the arms, and really important, on the back, or in the back, you have the battery, or a third battery installed. So to the left and right, you have two extra batteries, so altogether 3 batteries. In the front, you have a car charger. You have the 4-port charging hub. You'll use the regular charger in the back to plug into that. Power cord. Up front you have a quick start guide with like a little cleaning cloth too for the camera lens. Back here you have a lighting kit. So this is the mount, and then you mount these two little lights on there, and should help light things up at night. Over here you have your cables. You have a micro USB and a USB-C. Here you have the controller. With the controller you have a little built-in screen, but you'll also need either a phone or a tablet with their app. Then you have an SD card holder, or micro SD card holder. And lastly, you have 2 propeller pairs, so a full extra set of propellers. So that's really it for the video, guys. This is everything that comes with the Autel EVO 2 Dual when you purchase from Terrestrial Imaging. So if these videos are helpful, please make your next Autel purchase from us. So again, thank you for watching. Hope this video helped. Give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and visit us online at www.terrestrialimaging.com.